Ciao Tesla people, I'm going to the Supercharger here in Florence, but I want to do a quick test. In about 300-400 meters there is a speed camera, so I wanted to check it out if there is a speed camera chime. So here is the speed camera, the orange icon, okay, and let's see if I get all green here, and about 300 meters probably is on the right side. Speed limit is 50. I'm catching a red light. Okay, that's okay. There's some traffic today, I'm not sure why. So the speed camera, it's right there, the orange one here. So let's see if it does a speed chime. I noticed that usually does it 200-300 meters before the speed camera, so it should be probably after these two lights. Let's see. Okay, I'll be quiet so there it is. I hope it recorded. It did a beep beep, something like that. But then it doesn't do anything. So the icon stays the same, orange, and there is no other signal. I think the speed camera chime is a bit low, has a volume. And,
in 200 meters,
yeah, that's the speed camera. So it did the speed camera chime went on, but it's not loud, so you really don't notice almost. So anyway, that's the
200 meters,
quick video that I wanted to do, and I'll see you on next video. Please subscribe, put a like, and turn on notification if you're already subscribed, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.